Hey guys, today we are going to make some Katogo for breakfast. So come, let's do it. Today I'm taking you with me to the farm to get some food. Yes, we're going to get some banana, green bananas or matoke. We call them matoke here in East Africa. So yes, I looked for the biggest matoke there. This was one of them. I said that's the one I want. So I went in there and I started, doing the entire process, cutting. As you can see, I'm there showing you exactly where we have to where we have to cut. Yes, and I got some help. Otherwise, that branch would have ended on my head. Yes, that's me cutting. Yeah, so you have to cut there so that you get your banana. And I had to remove all these things so that I get ready to carry the banana. Do you think I can carry this? Do you think I can manage this whole thing? So yes, at this point that's when I realized that I had to look for the smallest one, because now this is me suffering the consequences of my decisions, of my actions. So yes, I ended up surrendering it and asking for some help. Otherwise I couldn't even move away from that place. So yeah, thank you for going with me to the farm and seeing how I couldn't carry my own toke. Ended up getting like a small one. But yes, either way, it's all good. It all tastes good. So yes, that's me removing my toke from what is that thing called? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. Don't laugh at me. So yeah, I did that, and then I decided that, why peel matoke when I can first make the beef, because the beef takes some time. So yes, I'm there surrendering the banana, and yes, deciding to come, let's do this. Deciding to come and first make the beef. So yes, that's me selecting my ingredients. I have some onions, I have some tomatoes, green pepper, carrots, white onion, and some peas. It is very important for you to know the ingredients you're going to use before you step in the kitchen. So yeah, that's me going to my tap to wash my ingredients. That's also very, very important. So yes, now I'm peeling my onions. I'm going to cut them. It's very important to always prepare yourself before you even light the charcoal stove, or put your saucepan on the gas cooker, or even the cooker itself. So please make sure you prepare your ingredients so that you don't get confused. Things end up burning if you're not ready. So yes, that's me doing the mise en place, preparing my ingredients before I even light my charcoal stove. Now I'm cutting my onions. I'm going to go in with all the vegetables so that I get myself ready. yes, guys, I'm using a kilo of meat. If you are one or two people, you can just go in with a half kilogram of beef. Now, this we do it as a breakfast, so this is like the commonest thing you're going to find in morning restaurants for breakfast here in Uganda, and I believe East Africa, the whole of East Africa. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yes, but some people decide to have it for lunch. As you can see, it's a full meal. We Africans love to have a heavy breakfast. So this is a heavy breakfast. Yes, I lit my charcoal stove. Last part, please. I lit my charcoal stove. I put my saucepan on the charcoal and added some oil and some onions. So yes, that's me making sure that my garlic and ginger are really minced enough so that they create that beautiful aroma that I need in my food. So yes, I was making sure that nothing stays on that spoon. I was making sure that nothing stays on that spoon. So yes, I know I didn't first separate the meat to cook alone, because by doing this, adding the beef in, when the onions and the garlic and the ginger are golden brown, the beef is going to pick up such an aroma, very delicious sweet smell. And also, when it's boiling, the juices are not going to go to waste, because at the end of the day we are going to use them. We're not like going to separate and cook alone, so everything is going to stay in our saucepan, meaning also the flavors that the beef produces are going to stay in there. So yes, you add in your beef and then you add in your salt so that your beef is well flavored with salt. There I am cutting my onions. Yes, I wanted to first pre-boil them, but by the time I realized I had put on the beef already, so I just decided to cut them like that. Add in your carrots there and mix properly, then go in with your tomatoes. So guys, look at what I'm going to do here. If you have an opportunity that you're in the village, or you are up country, or if you are where you can access these banana leaves, please use them as foil. Instead of using foil to cover for your beef to like simmer and become soft, just use these ones, because they don't just even cover so well. They keep the steam and the moisture in there, and then also they have an aroma that they add to your beef or to anything that you're cooking. So yes, if you can have them, please use them. Don't let them just dry, just go to waste. My beef is looking so good. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of turmeric and a tablespoon of paprika and cumin, just like that. Now tell me, do you really taste the meat when it's at this point? Because my god, oh, it's so tasty. Yes, I added in some water there so that my beef, I give time for the beef to cook. Now, which lady or which kind of woman would I be if I did not taste the beef? If you're coming for me, please make sure you've never done this. But yes, I had to test. Even though it burnt me, I still tested it. So yes, I go in there with my banana leaf to cover. Yes, and also add on that so that your beef cooks very well, and on low heat. Things get tender and soft when it is low heat. So I'm going to peel my matoke there. As usual, I'm adding some oil so that that sap doesn't stick on me so much. Please do that if you can avoid that. Still, you're not under pressure. So yes, I'm going to peel my matoke. Watch my skills. If you want me to peel for you, you just say so. Anyway, I'm joking, but yeah. So yes, guys, after peeling my matoke nicely, just like that, I went and rinsed out the water and also washed my peas. Yes, we're going to be using fresh peas, please. Yes, there are some people who they're frozen peas also. Please feel free to use them. Yeah, wash your matoke nicely until you are sure that it's clean and your peas are clean. I used the same saucepan because yes, I'm going to add them in at the same time. So nicely, just like that. So yes, my beef took like an hour to tenderize. It took an hour to tenderize to become soft and tender. Yes, by this time my banana had really surrendered and asked me to let it go. So yes, that's my beef. Very nice because it was simmering. So don't ask why isn't it bubbling? Why isn't it bubbling? It was simmering on low heat because yes, as I told you, beef or anything gets tender with low heat. I added in my matoke and my peas, and I'm going to add in some green pepper and some white onions, guys. These onions have insane flavors. So yes, I added them in there and I'm going to give it a bit 30 minutes to cook. Yes, so I got another green banana leaf to cover. Yes, if you have foil, please feel free to go in with foil. Everything will be good. Just use the foil if you have it. Yes. So yes, guys, our 30 minutes are done. And as you can see, the matoke is looking very good. I added in some Royco. Yes, because I mean, what is East African food without Royco? They have us on chokehold. Yes, so God. Ah, because the matoke is really tender right now, I just decided to do that. Please go in with that if you don't want to break your matoke apart. It's like as if you're eating mashed matoke in a stew that you've already made. So I also added in some two beef cubes. As you noticed, I didn't add more salt because all these things that are really called the beef cubes, they have salt in them. So I was very cautious with the salt. But you can add in a teaspoon if you feel like it is not enough for you. But for me, at this point, the salt was really enough. Remember, I added in a tablespoon when we were cooking the beef. Now that's the one I'm adding. Yes, please enjoy this nice recipe. I know I did. And get back to me in the comment section. God bless you. Oh, ciao.